What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I had to post this video yesterday, but I was like way too tired, man. So basically, this is just like an update of the video we did on Sunday. So I just added like one pair, I think I added GJ. So and USDCAD. So let's just analyze USDCAD because I'm currently in a trade on this one. So since last week we established that okay, it's failing to make a new higher high, which is dropping, which is causing it to go bearish, and there's a double top at a resistance zone. So we're like, okay, we go down to the lower time frame, right? And then let me just go to lower time frame, right? Because I really caught this one. We caught a profit last week, remember, like 30 something pips, right? Let me just go to the H1 chart. Let's do this. So as you can see here, right, it broke below this zone, right? So basically I feel like it broke below and is trying to retest, because as you can see, it's basically forming the same pattern it formed here. See, failing to break a previous lower high. Because if it comes to this zone, it has to break to the upside if it's actually gonna make a double bottom. So it's a 1-2 try failure to break. So what is it doing? It's pushing down. It failed to break again. I mean, it's retesting over here, right? So I'm in the trade. Let me see where I entered. The price, the exact price, 25,289. Entered it like last night, man. Yeah. This is why. You see, 10 pip stop. 16 pip stop actually. Little nice. What's my target? Let me see. 4,850. And basically this. So nice 1 to 2, nice 1 to 2, 40 pip move, you understand me? So this is one that I would personally take if I were you, because it's still at 4 a.m. and it hasn't even moved yet. We're seeing a lot of bearish momentum around the retest zone. You see, it's a wick, failed to break above with a strong candle. It's another wick. I just don't like how the wick is bullish. It closed bullish, but still a wick nonetheless. Let's just go to the smaller time frame. You see, wick tried to be an engulfing but didn't close quite right. I don't like how that closed. A wick, and then a bearish engulfing candle that engulfed all these candlesticks, closed below all of them. We could look at this and say I think it's a double top, which, let's just go to the minute 5 chart. It's just a whole lot of range, man. It's just a whole lot of range, but I really think this is the break of the range, because this is where the range is at. Price was failing to break below this level. As you can see, the wick break below, you understand me? So I really think it's gonna continue the downtrend to the lows, the overall lows, which is like maybe here, because I don't like putting my stop loss at the wicks. I like putting it at the bodies, because that's where most of the you see, like here, I would never put my stop loss here by the wicks. I'd put it here by the bodies, because it all of these failed to break below. It failed to break close below, you understand me? Failed to break close below. So the only smart place to put your targets is where the bodies fail to close below, because it might have a slippage and go maybe here, but it might come back, like you see, as like this. It had a slippage, it went in and then came right back up in the same day, you understand me? It went down and then came back bullish into the support zone. So I'm putting my targets over there. A young 40 pip move. Yeah, that's about it. Let's just go to the NAS100. The NAS100 on Sunday, the weekly outlook video, we said it might go bearish if it passes this zone, if it breaks this zone, right? Clearly it didn't break this zone. I think we are forming a two try failure in the trending market. You know, if I were you, I would start looking for bullish movements because it's failing to make a new high. I mean, it failed to break clean this, like below this zone, retest, and then pull back down. So I would be thinking we're going bullish for targets. Let me see for how many pips. A potential 200 pip move. Yeah, potential 200 pip move to the highs, and yeah, I think that's it, man. You know, it's a clean pattern. You know, I would really wait for a clean break above the trend line. You know, let me just put the trend line to the bodies so let's see if that makes any sense. Put the trend line to the bodies instead of the wicks. Okay, so it is a retest, you know. Broke out. I just don't like how it broke out. These candles are not really convincing. Came back for a retest of the broken trend line, and then you know you could potentially just enter right here. You know, put your target below this zone, 70 pip stop. Let me see. Yeah, nice 50 pip stop could get you a legit 1 to 4. Let's see. See, 1 to 4 is possible, but I'll just put my target just below the thing, just below the resistance here. You know, plus you know this is a neckline of a double bottom, so you don't really want to be targeting highs when this has not broken and retested, because it could come back to this level and just go bullish. Could come back here, create like have an engulfing candlestick or a wick reject, crazy wick rejection, and then continue just tumbling down. You know, so this is a potential. You know, potential. You could look at this. GU had the same story as Nasdaq. We said we were gonna sell. It was around here, I think, if I'm not mistaken, around here, not here, right? We said if it breaks, closes below this zone, we are looking for sales. Clearly, it didn't. You know, it formed a double bottom in a trending market. You know, a two try failure. So what I'm looking for, if what I would look for if I was trying to trade this, it broke. No, let me see. It broke below, above the neckline of the double top, right? So it broke above, right? Nice candlestick. You know, it's not too strong. Broke above, came back and retested. I think it's retesting this one, and then it's failing to retest with a double top. So this is a two try failure in the trending market. Understand me? One, tried once to break below, tries to break below. It's pushing up now. So I would buy this. You know, I would buy this. You know, textbook, man. It's a textbook trade. Buy this, put stops below this zone, and then you know, put, because you know what the problem is, nah. The your risk to reward ratio will not be the best, because it could happen that the market just comes back to these highs and just goes back down, and you have a 0.50 like 1 to 0.50 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, bullshit. This is a bullshit one, man, if we're being honest. Man, excuse me, bro. It's like 4 a.m. and I legit just woke up. Alright? So, I'll put my targets. I think, man, like the high of this is like, you know, a nice 1 to 2, you know, 1 to 2.8, you know. Yeah, put my targets there. Let me just stretch this out. We'll see how it plays out. Maybe it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday today. Friday, Thursday, tomorrow. Yeah, man, probably tomorrow, Friday. We'll see how it plays out and how far along we are in this trend. AUD USD. I think I entered this trade. Let me just check my trading history. I think I did. Just do the weekly. Come on. Yes, I did. I entered at the 9.3. Where's the 9.3? 9.3 here. It's the price should be 1993. It says 94, but whatever. And then my targets were 1600. Yeah, 1600. Yeah, I got a target, but as you can see, the risk to reward ratio is lame. It's like a 1-to-1, man. Like, I just saw a textbook trade. We analyzed it on Sunday. We said it has to break lower, or if it's not breaking lower and creating a retest, it has to have a retracement move and then create a double top in the market, or a continuation pattern in the market, which is a double top in the trending market to continue back down. I just saw a textbook trade, knew that it was still going down lower. Potentially I wanted to target these lows, which I did, but I just didn't want to go too low because I was like, listen, I want to target just above the support zone, so that if it breaks, I can have another re-entry at the retest. Clearly it didn't break, and now it's pushing up, I'm seeing, but it's in the range. I really don't like how it's looking. I'll really wait for a break above the zone or break below the zone. I don't really like how it's looking right now, but then I would say it is looking bullish. But AUD USD, it doesn't really move like crazy either way. So it's like, you could take it. Fuck. Let me just see the price. 40 pip move, man. 40 pip move to the upside. So you could take it, but I wouldn't, Gold. I forgot how it looked on Sunday, I didn't really trade it, I think it was somewhere here, something like that. I don't remember. Let me see. Sunday. When was Sunday? If today is the 8th, Sunday was minus 3 days, I guess. The 5th? Yeah. The 5th. Let's just look. 5 June. 5 June. 5 June. 5 June. 5 June. No, 6. What's 6? 6. No. 5 June. Here. Yeah, 5 June. So it was run about here. Yeah, I can see now. We analyzed it over there. And I think we said, like, if it no, I think it was somewhere here, man, if I'm not mistaken. Should have been, yeah, it was somewhere here, because all of this had not formed yet. And what did I say? I said if it breaks down below even more, I would sell it, but it didn't. Went bullish, I said if because it was failing. Yeah, it was failing to break above this zone. So I'm like, if it breaks a nice candlestick below, I would definitely sell. It didn't push back up, but then it created a double top in the trending market. You see, as you can see, like a young double top in the trending market. So yeah, break. Let's say this green is a retest though. I just didn't put it right. Created a level in the market that it failed to break. Created a support level in the market, continued down to the targets that we had all along. So this is how gold's looking. It really went our way. Clean textbook. It's a textbook trade, but then it's failing to go lower. So I would really wait for a break above this high, that it above this support zone that it just like formed in the market. If it breaks above this zone, I know that we are bullish. If it fails to break above this zone, I still consider we are bearish, even though we've created a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, retest, higher low. So I really still think we're bearish overall, because I'm really thinking it has to complete this double top in the trending market pattern to the lows, but I would start off by putting my targets here, and then I'll put my TP2, my take profit 2 over here, as you can see. So yeah, DJ, man, I missed it, bro. I missed it, man. I missed everything. Like a 300 pip move, bro, in like 2 days, bro. Like 2 days, bro. I can't believe it, bro. I missed it, bro. Look at it. Missed it, I almost entered here, but I was like, hell no, bro. It broke out like crazy. This can't be the retracement. I looked at it, I was like, this cannot be the retracement, bro. I looked at it, I was like, this can. And it was, bro. It was clean, man. Clean. And I was like, man, I let it go, bro. Let it go, bro. I'm low-key depressed, you know. Let it go, bro. Like literally, man. No, GJ just moves like crazy when it wants to. This is one of those times. As you can see, GBP USD is not really moving that crazy, but this one, it moved crazy, man. I think on Sunday we were here, if I'm not mistaken. Listen, bro, 3 days. Where were we on Sunday? Like somewhere below the zone, even. What the fuck? We weren't even above the zone. Oh hell no! Wait a minute. I don't know, man. Probably somewhere around here. See, it retested a level in the market that we have marked up. Oh yeah, it's a break retest of that zone as a 2-try failure in a trending market. Man, everything is just textbook, bro. You know, I'm really trying to learn more patterns in the market to potentially have more confluence, you know, to try in a trending market, man. Textbook. You know, I saw this, man. Yeah, I saw it around here. I was like, yo, hell nah, man, this thing's still in the resistance zone. I don't really think this is a retest. It didn't even break all the way. Fuck my life. Understand me? So yeah, that's it. And then let's see, US 30. I don't think we really analyze this, you know. And I don't like how it's looking. Hella rangy. This is all range. I don't trade ranges, man. Hate ranges. But there is a trend within the range, yeah, but it's already at the top of the range, man. So if I were to trade it, I'd basically look for sells above, like on that zone, because you could definitely catch some really good sells. Because it is a range. It's gonna go up, down, until it feels like breaking, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna come back on. I'm not really gonna trade the AUD, the Euro AUD. So I'm gonna come back on Thursday, man. I'm gonna create another video tomorrow showing how the USD trade went, and yeah, and then that's basically it, man. Thanks for watching, man. Please like and subscribe, and just please push us, man. Road to 100 subscribers. Let's get to it, man.